A year before, we have only one multi-chain wallet, and that was the Trust wallet. But with lack of security and management, still lots of traders are losing their funds on that. I'm not against the Trust wallet, but every time whenever you want to trade, you have to add the blockchain on the main platform of the Trust wallet. Then you will be able to use the entire criteria of the Trust wallet. Now it's the time for a good change, and to cover this space, in this video, I will share a new wallet and also a best coin which will surely help you in near future and will be huge soon. And the best part of this wallet, it will reward every trader to use it. So if you want to know more, stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
Starting with the Shinobi wallet. Shinobi wallet is a one-stop management system for all the crypto assets in the world. With one wallet, Shinobi wallet supports all the MetaMask supported chains, supports BTC minor chains that MetaMask even doesn't support. For example, being a trader, if you want to trade on the KCC blockchain, you can trade with the help of the Shinobi. If you want to trade on the OKT, you can trade with the help of Shinobi wallet. It's entirely very simple for making an account on the Shinobi wallet. Simply you have to click on the create a new wallet, but I will share the link of the Shinobi wallet in the description of this video. Simply click on the create new wallet. Now you have both options. Either you can download the mobile app, or secondly you can simply use the web app. And here you can get the phrase. Don't copy my phrase because I am going to use this wallet right now. Anyways, so simply you can copy the phrase and you can use the wallet. It's entirely very simple and easy to use network. So something more about the Shinobi. Shinobi wallet is not just an application to manage the assets. The team have the plans to become the world's largest company managing various types of staking. Shinobi wallet is an app collecting all of these things. For example, you will be able to access the various DeFi platforms safely and securely. Here you can see the entire team. It's a Japanese project and overall it's working well. And as per my own idea, it will be an other Ethereum in the entire space. Now they already have one coin. Here you can see the Twitter page. You must have to follow them over here. Here you can see our token book is listed on the coin gecko. We consider this an honor. Here you can see the coin. It is basically the one book coin is equal to 1 yen. The price is 0.06 and it's a rebase token. Now how the rebase token will work, we are going to discuss about that also. Here you can see the main website. KGR is a completely fair cryptocurrency that's a decentralized elastic supply digital currency. Solve the market manipulation and grow the economy of world with new concepts. And already they added one thing, and that is Shinobi wallet release. So you must have to make an account on the Shinobi wallet. Here you can see the white paper of the Shinobi wallet. Now best part about the Shinobi wallet. Basically, if you are going to use the book coins, BUKH coins, and also you are going to make an account on the Shinobi wallet, it will be the first application using the tokens that can directly receive the profit of the wallet. Now in simple words, if you are holding the book AltCoin and you also have an account on the Shinobi wallet, you will get some rewards only by holding the Suk coins. It means without doing anything, you will make money just by holding this altcoin and by using this easy to use wallet. It's the best wallet as per my own idea. What you think about the wallet and also about the security, do let me know in the comment section, because it's very easy. Simply if you have the account on the Shinobi wallet, you have the chance. Only just you have to click on the access wallet and simply you can log into your account. Overall, the best place to save your crypto, because right now we are facing number of issues. It is a place for everyone to secure its assets right now. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.